Hello, this video is about resetting the maintenance light on a 2004 to 2006 Scion XB. The light usually comes on every 5,000 miles, I believe. So the first thing you have to do is make sure the odometer is on display, which will be right there. So to do that, you just go to your ignition switch here, and there's 4 settings on this one. You got lock, accessory, on, and start. You want to go to your on position, and then we're going to go to your display here, and here's the odometer reset button. We're just going to keep pushing that until you're on your odometer. You don't want to be on trip A, you don't want to be on trip B, you want to be on odometer. And then we're gonna, after you do that, you just go ahead and turn the ignition back off. You're gonna turn it back to your lock position. And from that point, let me see if you can see that. From that point, we're gonna hold down the this odometer trip button and turn it to the on position on the ignition. When we do that, there should be 5 bars that are gonna count down, and as soon as those 5 bars are done counting down, the maintenance light should be done resetting. So we're just going to hold this down and keep holding it down, and then turn on the ignition to the on position. You can see all those bars count down. As soon as they're all done counting down and it turns 0, it should be reset. At this point, you can just turn it back off and then turn the car on. That light should be gone. Thank you.